A trade war truce. The U.S. and China seek common ground. The U.S. and China have been locked in a bitter trade war. Tit-for-tat tariffs define the conflict. But now, there's a glimmer of hope. The two economic giants announced a significant rollback of tariffs. This breakthrough came on May 12, 2025. It signals a potential thawing in relations. The U.S. will reduce tariffs from a staggering 145% to 30%. This is a substantial reduction. It aims to ease the burden on businesses and consumers. China has reciprocated with its own tariff cuts. They will lower tariffs from 125% to 10%. This move indicates a willingness to compromise. This agreement is not a complete resolution. It represents a truce. A 90-day window has been established. During this time, negotiators will try to hammer out a more comprehensive deal. The world is watching closely. This truce offers a chance to reset the relationship. It's a chance to move away from confrontation. News of the tariff rollback sent ripples across global markets. It was met with a resounding chorus of relief. Investors rejoiced. The S&P 500, a key indicator of U.S. stock market health, surged by nearly 3%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, another important benchmark, wasn't far behind. It jumped by over 2%. Tech stocks also got a boost. The Nasdaq Composite, heavily weighted with technology companies, saw a surge of over 3.5%. Across the Pacific, Asian markets echoed this enthusiasm. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index climbed by about 3%. The price of oil, a vital commodity, rose by over $1.60 per barrel. This jump reflects renewed confidence in global economic growth. The U.S. dollar, a safe haven currency, strengthened. It gained ground against the euro, the yen, and other major currencies. The trade war took a toll on both the U.S. and Chinese economies. Uncertainty cast a long shadow. Businesses held back on investments. Consumers tightened their belts. The U.S. experienced its first quarterly GDP contraction since early 2022. This was a sobering sign. China, heavily reliant on exports, also felt the pain. Chinese exports to the U.S. plummeted. Factories saw orders dwindle. Chinese factory activity contracted at its fastest pace in 16 months in April 2025. This slowdown raised concerns about global economic health. The tariff truce offers a beacon of hope. Economists predict a boost in GDP growth for both countries. Estimates range from 0.2% to 0.5% for the U.S. and 0.3% to 0.6% for China over the next year. This growth would be a welcome reprieve. It could signal a return to stability. While the tariff rollback is a positive step, challenges remain. This is not a done deal. The 90-day negotiation period will be critical. Thorny issues remain on the table. Technology transfer, intellectual property rights, and market access are all points of contention. Deep distrust lingers between the two nations. Building lasting trust will be essential. Both sides must demonstrate a commitment to fair trade practices. The outcome of these negotiations will have far-reaching consequences. It will shape the future of global trade. It will determine the balance of economic power. The world is watching. The stakes are high.